I tried YouHodler wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first opened the YouHodler wallet app, I wasn't sure what to expect. It heard it was a crypto wallet that lets you earn high interest, but after testing it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that YouHodler blends traditional banking with DeFi in a way that's surprisingly practical and a little risky if you don't know what you're doing. The app's biggest draw is its high-yield savings accounts. You can deposit Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stablecoins and earn up to 12% interest paid weekly. I tested it by depositing a small amount of USD, and true to its word, interest started accruing right away. It feels like a digital savings account, but one powered by crypto lending. Then comes the multi-HODL feature, a kind of leveraged investment tool. It lets you multiply your potential gains by borrowing against your crypto, but here's where most people get it wrong. Leverage can boost profits, but it also increases risk. During my test, I saw how quickly small market changes could swing the outcome. Security-wise, YouHodler partners with Ledger Vault for institutional-grade asset protection and has insurance coverage for stored crypto. The app also supports fiat deposits and withdrawals, making it easy to move money in and out using bank transfers or credit cards. However, there are downsides. This isn't a fully decentralized wallet, so YouHodler holds custody of your assets. That means you're trusting the company's security systems, not your own private keys. And while the yields are tempting, they depend on market lending rates, which can change over time. After 7 days, I learned the shocking truth. YouHodler is a powerful tool for earning passive income from crypto, but only if you understand the risks. It's like a high-yield savings account for the bold. If you know how to balance opportunity with caution, YouHodler might just be your new favorite wallet.